In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit to Binance Fiat in crypto. Start by opening the official Binance app on your mobile device. Make sure it's up to date so the layout and options match what you see here. From the main screen, look for the deposit option. You'll typically find it in your wallet area or as a shortcut on the home screen. Tap Deposit to begin. You'll be prompted to choose between fiat and crypto. Fiat refers to government-issued currencies like dollars or euros. Crypto covers digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Pick the one that matches what you intend to move into your account. This choice determines the next screen you'll see and the information Binance provides. If you select crypto, the app will ask you to choose a network. This choice is critical. The network you select on Binance must match the network you'll use to send the asset from your external wallet or exchange. Sending over the wrong network can lead to delays, extra fees, or even permanent loss of funds. Take a moment to confirm the asset and network pairing and pay attention to any notes on minimum deposit amounts, required confirmations, or special instructions. Certain coins also require a tag or memo in addition to the address. If you see that on the screen, you'll need it later when you actually send the funds from your other wallet. Once the asset and network are set, Binance will display your unique deposit address for that exact combination. Use the copy icon to copy the address, or show the QR code if another device will scan it. After copying, quickly verify the first and last few characters to make sure it copied correctly. Keep your deposit details private and use them only for the matching asset and network. Many users like to test with a small amount first to confirm everything is set up correctly before moving a larger sum. If you select fiat instead, the app will guide you based on your region and currency, showing supported methods and any important notes. Availability can vary by location and account status, and you'll see the relevant options and details on the screen so you can proceed with confidence. That's it. You've opened the Binance app, tapped deposit, chosen between fiat or crypto, selected the appropriate network for a crypto deposit, and copied your deposit address for the asset and network you selected. Take your time with each choice, double check the details, and you'll set yourself up for a smooth deposit experience.